Welcome back everybody to another pegmis 3D printing video. My friend commissioned me to make a Trinity knot with a heart in the middle, which actually came out, quite well. I don't know if you can see it in the slide, it's pretty bad, but there we go, that's a nice view. Came out really well, so eventually I can't do anything in moderation. I now have a large bag of these, which I'm going to continue to add to. Unfortunately, I have a new spool of plastic on here. Once again, it's still gray. So it may need some recalibration. I don't know how well it's going to turn out the first time around, but I'm going to go ahead and just get started, and we'll, let's see how this goes. And there you have it. Let's see how this came out. Yeah, pretty excellent, if I do say so myself. So, thanks for watching. These are actually quite a bit of fun. I might try another variation on these next week. We don't know yet. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like. Thank you.